To log into the customer portal, click Log In at the top right and enter your practice credentials to log in. If you do not know your account information, please email support@healthcarecomputing.co.uk to request your details. To log an incident, click Log an Incident in the Incidents tab, or click Log an Incident in the top bar. Fill the form with your contact details, description of your issue, and any additional information. Once you've completed the form, press Submit. It's important to include details like the serial number, the room availability, and the impact the issue is having on you. To view any incidents and status, go to the Incidents tab and click View the status of my incidents. Here you can see all your incidents. Hover over the incident that needs following up and double-click. A new page will open with all the incident information detailed. To view further information, including any planned tasks or historical journals, hover your mouse cursor over the 3 dots below and scroll the bar up. Here you can see different tabs. Click Tasks tab to view the tasks that need to be done. Here you can read the description of the pending tasks and the completion details. Click Journal to view tasks that have been done. For further information about the tasks, double-click above the journals and a new window with the detailed information will open. To update an incident, click Edit on the top left bar. Here you can add to the form any relevant information. To add comments, click Add Comment and type your comment in the emerging window. Press OK to save. Finally, press the Submit button to save your changes. To view changes status related to projects and refreshes, please click View the status of my changes or the Changes tab. Here you can see the list of changes. Double-click in the change that you wish to follow up. A new window with all the information related to the change will open. To view changes status related to projects and refreshes, please click Projects tab. Here you can see the list of projects. Double-click in the projects that you wish to follow up. A new window with all the information related to the change will open. We offer you now a new feature to order equipment via our customer portal. To request new equipment, click Order Equipment Consumables in the Request tab in the home page. You can order new consumables such as drums or toners, new equipment such as laptops or monitors, peripherals such as keyboards or smart card readers. To order a toner, for example, click the Consumables tab. A list with all the list of consumables available will appear. Hover over the item required and double-click. Now click on Place Order for this item. A new window will open in the screen. Add the number of items needed and click OK. Afterwards, put in your name and click OK. Finally, select your practice delivery address and click OK. A new window with your submission will appear on screen. Press OK. To arrange a waste collection, click the Arrange Waste Collection button on the Requests tab or the Arrange Waste Collection option on the top bar of the home page. Fill the form with all the details required and click the Submit button. Please pay particular attention to the parking and access restrictions. A new window with your submission will appear on screen. Press OK. To find out more about any global issues that could be affecting your practice, please click the Known Issues tab. Hover over the list and double-click on the issue that you want to find out more about. Here you can see the description of the problem and a workaround if there is one. Also, you can let us know if your site is also affected by the issue. please click Affects Me Too, and we will get the notification. To access the knowledge base, go to Find Help and click Knowledge Articles, or click Knowledge/FAQ tab. Here you can search for helpful articles. Use keywords to find the article that you need. Type the keywords in the white box and click Go. Double-click the article that you would like to read. A new window will open with the information. You can also comment, like, dislike, and tell us whether this solved your issue. Some articles can contain guidelines attached. To export an attachment, please click the paperclip on the top bar and double-click above the PDF that you wish to download. A new window will open the PDF document. Here you can print the PDF by clicking the Print option, or save by clicking the Save option. To access the service level agreement, go to Find Help and click SLA Diagram, or click SLA Details in the Knowledge Base tab. Here you can see the service level agreement information and details. To access the escalation routes, go to Find Help and click Escalation Routes, or click Escalation Route in the Knowledge Base tab. Here you can see the service escalation routes for your organisation. To view CCG devices, click View My Devices tab or Devices assigned to CCG. A list with all the devices will appear. If you wish to export this data, please click the button Request an export of this data, and a new form will appear. Please fill the form and our support team will send you the information requested. If you wish to browse more information about one device, for example, workstations, click on the number next to the device that you wish to browse. A list with all the workstations will appear. To view all the details about one specific device, double-click one of the devices on the list. Here you can see all the details related to the device, such as serial number, model, etc. To view GP Practices devices, click Devices assigned to Practices. A list with all devices will appear. If you wish to export this data, please click the button Request an export of this data, and a new form will appear. Please fill the form and our support team will send you the information requested. If you wish to browse more information about one device, for example workstations, click the number next to the device that you wish to browse. A list with all the workstations will appear. To view all the details about one specific device, double-click one of the devices on the list. Here you can see all the details related to the device, such as serial number, model, etc. To view reports, click Service Management Reports or Stats and Reports tab. A new window with all the reports available will appear. Click the report that you wish to view. A table with the detailed information will appear on a new screen. To access the company policies, go to Find Help and click Company Policies. Here you can see the different tabs with all our company policies. Click the relevant tab and a new window with the policy content will open. To help you navigate easier and quicker, we have created new user guides for the most relevant features of the customer portal. To access the company portal guidelines, go to Find Help and click Portal Guides. Here you can see a list of PDFs with the guidelines to the most used features of the customer portal.